The job search can be really isolating. It's a really structureless process. I provide that support and accountability that just doesn't exist naturally in the job search on its own. My name is Aileen Axmeyer, and I'm a career coach and wellness speaker. People typically come to me when they're either totally burnt out or they're just feeling like they haven't really had much opportunity to grow and develop and advance professionally. They might have one or two things they know they're targeting, but they just don't know how to get there. I've been a career coach for over 15 years now. My unique way of working with people is being intentional about incorporating the whole person in my coaching. I have my master's in counseling. I've completed my 200-hour yoga teacher training, meditation, breath work, as well as integrative nutrition trainings. Having all of those in the toolkit can be so supportive through what can often be a really challenging and daunting and usually longer than people think process. The career coaching that I do is everything from really discerning what you want in your next opportunity to the nitty-gritty of resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profiles, interview prep, salary negotiation, how to be proactive in your approach and how to spend your energy efficiently and effectively. I typically work with clients with one-on-one coaching, whether it be in person in the greater Boston area or virtually, coupled with on-demand coaching through these modules that I have, where I've created a framework for the entire job search process. My clients have lifetime access to those modules, and they can use those sessions at any time. They never expire. I want my clients to feel that sense of empowerment so that, say they go to change jobs in 5 years, 10 years, whatever it might be, they have the tools and the framework to not rely on me forever. If you're exhausted and just overwhelmed with how to move forward with landing a job that you love, you can reach out for a complimentary consultation, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you.